In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into a cartoon with AI. I will also show you the best tools or platforms that you can use to transform your photos into cartoons and many other styles. And finally, I will explain you how you can easily share your creations. So let's get started. To start with the creation of our cartoon, the first thing that we have to do is go into my insMind account. And if you don't have one, you can create one clicking in the link of my description. So to start with this, first of all, I'm going to click in select image. Over here, I'm just going to go and select the image that I want to turn into a cartoon. So I'm just going to be using this one and I'm going to click in open. Over here, it's going to go and open our files. Now, it already opened my image, but I think over here I have a lot of space that I don't really need. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to click in crop. So I can go and crop my image over here so I can only use this part. And I'm also going to choose my designs over there. And now I think we can work with this. And now we can start with the creation of our cartoon. Over here, first of all, we have the section of add on insMind. So we can go and upload pictures. If you don't want to work with this one, you can go and upload a different one, and you can also upload from your phone. And now we have this section of templates. Over here we have the section of background in case that you want to delete the background, and then you can change for one of these options. We also have the AI background, so we can generate the background with AI for our cartoon. We also have the stickers, the text, the section of product collage, but I'm not going to be using this section, and this is the one that I'm going to be using. AI tools. First of all, we have to select our image so we can start using these tools. And to turn my picture into a cartoon, I'm going to be using the AI filter. As you can see, over this section, we have a lot of options to create our cartoon. We have the cartoon, we have the anime, we have a cartoon 3D, we have the pixel, we have sketch, anime, DC Comics, we even have Ghibli and Game CG. So you can choose to turn your picture in all of these options of cartoon, which are a lot. So first of all, I'm going to be trying some of these options to see which one I like the most. First of all, I'm going to try with a cartoon 3D. I'm going to click over it and I can click in start. So as you can see, now it generates one option for me, but I don't think I really like it, so I can click in generate. So I think this is a very good option for my cartoon, but I'm gonna go and try some other styles. I'm gonna try with the Game CG to see what I can get. For this one, we have a very interesting outcome. I think it's a very funny cartoon, so I really like it. And I'm gonna be trying a third one just to see all the options that we have. So I'm gonna click and I'm gonna try with oil painting. And this one also looks very funny. I think it looks very nice. It really gives a touch of the painting, so it really stands out. But I think I'm going to be using the Game CG. And as you can see, if we click in Game CG, it keeps the creations that we make before. I really like this cartoon, but I think that the face could be more accurate to my face. And to do this, I'm going to be using the AI face swap. So I'm just going to click in this option, and over here we have our cartoon, and we can go and select the face image. So I'm just going to go and upload my image. But what you can also do is just go and select one of these images and then keep it as the original image and then just swap it with your face or in the other way. But I'm just going to go and upload my picture. So now I upload my picture and we can generate it. And now it looks more accurate. What I also noticed is that there is some elements that I don't really like. So we can go and erase them so our cartoon looks even more clean. And to do this, I'm just going to be using Magic Eraser. So I'm just going to click over here. And over here, I'm just going to go and reduce the weight of my pencil so it's more easy for me to delete these details. And what I don't really like is the hair over here. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to click over it so I can go and delete it so it looks more clean in my cartoon. I think that's pretty much it. It's just some hairs don't look good. So I'm just gonna go and keep erasing, so something like this, and I can click in start. As you can see, I can still notice the hair, so I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna put the brush again. So I'm just gonna go put those ones and I'm gonna click in apply. And as you can see, after many changes in my image, it kind of loses the quality of it. So to get a higher quality for my image, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna click in AI Enhancer. I can click over, and now it's showing us that we can make it high and ultra high. So I'm just gonna go and click in ultra high, and I'm gonna click in start. And now the quality is much better. Now, let's say that I want to add a background into my cartoon. What I can do also is just click on it, and I can click in cut out. This tool will help us to remove the background of my image. So I'm just gonna go, I can click cut out over here, or I can also do it over here. So I'm just gonna click, and now it's gonna make it. And as you can see, now it removed all the background in only one click, which is very nice. And there we have it. I can move this image without any background. And now I can go and add a complete different background. I can go to the section of backgrounds over here. And as you can see, we have many options for it. First of all, we have the colors over here. So I can go, and then let's say that I want to add a purple background. It makes my image to stand out even more. But what we also have in insMind is the hard textures, soft texture, colors, even the studio. So I can go and add a studio picture, and I can even go and adjust my image so I look more in the center. So also looks very well. We can also add nature picture, so I can go and then put this one, or even just a forest. That also looks very well. We have shadows, Valentine's Day, Easter, black background, and we even have cities. Over here, I can click and see all, and I can see all the options that I get under this category. And you can do this with the other options that I showed you earlier. So we can go and then just click over here. I think this looks very nice. So I can go and then adjust my image. I can make it bigger or smaller, or then just adjust it to a specific size. This one looks interesting. So something like this. And that looks also very nice. And I really like that we have so many options. Like what I just showed you, it's just a part of all of these options. We have birthday, sports, back to school, kitchen, and more options. But in case that you want to create your own background with AI, we can do it with the help of insMind. So I'm just gonna go to the section of AI background over here. And over here, we have two sections. First of all, the recommend backgrounds. So as you can see over here, we have some examples that how it would look. So we can even try on with this one. It will create my cartoon into this new background. And as you can see over here, it gave us 4 options of our cartoon. So you can go and then just click in one of these ones, and it will add it over here. But first, I want to try the custom one. For this section, it works like any other AI. First of all, we have to go and add our prompt. So then I can put in front of the Burj Khalifa. And over here, we can go and upload a reference picture, but I don't have. So I'm just going to search for one picture from the Burj Khalifa. So I'm just going to go and then just write Burj Khalifa. And then over here, we can go and then just grab an image. So I think I really like it. This one, so I'm just going to go and grab this picture, and I can put it over here. So over here, I'm just gonna go and drop my image, and it's gonna upload our reference photo. Over here in this section, we can even go and establish our advanced settings. So first of all, we have the similarity. We can put it in low, high, and then this option also, and we can also go and add our negative prompt. So what I would add over here is just simple stuff like no blur, no pixels, no very thick lines, and just simple stuff that you can add over here, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna try it out with this, and we can see what we get. So I'm just gonna click in change click to generate. And over here again, we get some options. So I can use this one, and I can even click in generate more. And we're gonna get even more options for our pictures. In case that you don't really like the first options, from this, I will actually only use this one. So it's better that I generate multiple options, and I can choose the one that I like the most. So I think now we have even more options. And you can keep doing this for different backgrounds that you want to create. But for now, I'm just gonna leave my background in white. So I'm just gonna go and then just leave it like that. And last, I can go and resize this image. So let's say that I want to use this image for a thumbnail. I can click in resize over here, and it's going to show us different sizing that we can use. So we have Instagram post, Instagram Reel, we have Temu, we have Pinterest. We have all of these options to resize our image. So let's say that I want to use it for an Instagram Reel. I can go and click over here and it's gonna resize my image. And as you can see, I can keep adjusting on which size I want it. So I think something like this works very well. And now I resize my image and I can use it for my Instagram Reels. And once you're done with all the adjustments for your cartoon, we can go and download our image. And to do this, I'm just gonna click in download. Over here, we can go and choose the format of it. So I'm gonna be using PNG and we can select the quality. So I'm just gonna keep it on best and I can click in download. I really like that with insMind, you get all the tools in one place. So don't miss a chance to have amazing pictures with this tool. And if you want to learn how to make money with this tool by creating coloring books, you can watch my video on how to create and sell books on Amazon. Link in the description. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.